What's up, guys? This is Mr. Macau here, and today we're going to look at how to build a Lego fidget cube. And this is really different. I've never really done a Lego tutorial on my channel before, but I think this is going to be pretty cool. So yeah, let's get on with it. So the fidget cube is really cool because it has the little thing where you go boo boo boo. Oh, let me just so there's a little thing, the little bounce back circle thing, bob, and there's like a little wheel. Okay, so there's like a little wheel that you can rub your finger against. There is a little spinning wheel. You spin around, and there's a little switch that you can go that goes up. So it's really hard with one hand, like down, up. So. And it's sort of satisfying. It's pretty satisfying, sort of, but yeah. So yeah, and on the bottom you just have a little thumb stone, whatever you call this, and then I just made this up where you just rub your hand, thumb around this thing, and yeah, and you can scratch it. I don't know, but yeah. So today we're gonna show you how to build the fidget cube. So these are all the pieces that you will need for the fidget cube. Okay, so let's start with building it. So we're gonna start off with the base. So we take two of these 2x4 flat things, I don't know, and then we put them together like that. Take one of these flat 2x2s and put it right there. So just like that. Take two of your 1x4 whatever bricks, I guess. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't even matter what color this is. It just So you can make it whatever color you want, and then you put a 2x1, one of these 2x1 brick right like that, and you want to flip it over and take 4 of these, these parts, I don't know what to call them, they're like round 2x2 circle things, I don't know, and then you just place them all around like that, so it looks like that. Next, what you want to do is, take 2 of these. Let me just slide this over. So take 2 of these. Take one of these. And you want to put this in right here, and put one of these, the little ring things, and this is just like a small little wheel thing, and this is 4 brick wide, whatever you call them, bar things. So you stick it in that, these, the 2x1s with the cross, and you take the little ring and put it in like that. So that's that, and you want to take this and take your little tire, and put the little thing into the tire, and it fits pretty snug, and you want to fit it right there, so it spins around. Then you want to take another one of your ring things and put that on the other side of the bar thing, and you want to make it snug. So then you want to take your other 2x1 with the cross in the middle, put it right there. So that's this part, the little pulling part. Next, you want to take your base, put this right there. So there you have that, the base done. I forgot to mention you need this part for the build also. So this is part of the next part. So sorry I forgot to put that in the first thing, but So next part, you're gonna make a little switch on the back. So you take one of these, and you take these 2x1 flats, two of these, two 2x1 flats. You take this part, I don't know what that's called, and you just wanna snap those on. And if you have like a piece already like this, you don't really have to do it my way, but if you don't, you should just do it. It's like basically the same. And you just want to plop that right there. Next, you want to take two 1x2s and put them on the sides like that. And like that. Next, you want to take this thingamabobber, the clip thing, the little hole in it, and you want to attach it. Oops. You want to attach it to this, and when it's attached, it should make a little clicking noise. So there's your switch. Next, we're going to make a little circle thing that sort of bounces back in place. So first you're going to need one of these little stretchy things. I think they're pretty old. They're old Lego pieces, but if you have one, that's pretty lucky. If you just have like a Mega Block piece that you can use, then just use that. But you take one of these plates, the small plate, any color, and you put it right there, so nice and snug. Next, you want to take this little end, and you want to, I don't know if you can see inside there, but there's the two little knobs for the base, and you just want to stick it in. Hopefully it sticks in. You won't have to take it apart, but, and put it in, but, yeah, so I would recommend going like this and putting it right there, so it's easier. So just, yeah, and so let's spin it around. So it's like that. So you can just put this back in. Next, what you want to do is take a jumper plate, and I finally know what these are called. And so you want to take that and one of these 1x1 grabber claw things. I have no idea, but you'll take that and you want to put it, oops, you want to twist this around first, so it's like that. You want to put it right there and take a sort of small size and put it like that. So like that, so you know, sort of does that. Next, what you want to do is take a 1x1 brick and place it right here, and another 1x1 brick and place it right there. So then you want to take one of the 2x1s right here, and then I guess just two of these. You can just substitute it with another 2x1, put it right there. Then what you want to do is take a 2x1 with a hole in it and put it right there. So yes, so you got a little bounce back thing right here. Next is the spinning wheel. So next for the spinning wheel is pretty simple. You take one of your little, I don't know what these are called. Sorry, I just burped. And it's like the little connecting thing with a little knob on it, and you want to put it inside that hole. Next, what you want to do is take the little spider web looking part, it's round, and put it right here, like, yeah, so it's in the middle of the brick. So it should spin like that. So that's like the simplest part of the build. Next, we're going to make the roof. So the roof, is sort of hard. You take two of these, the 2x4 flats, and you take a 4x1 really flats, really flat ones. So it's like really flat, see? So up the little knobs and you put it right there on the two 2x4s. Next, what you want to do is take another one and put it right there. So it should look like this. Next, what you want to do is take a 2x1 really flat piece, pop it right there, same on the other side. Next, you want to take this round looking thing that sort of looks like an eyeball and put it right in the middle. Oops. Right in the middle. Like so. So next, what you want to do is take one of the 1x4s flat and put it right there. Then you want to take 1x3 flat and put it right here. You want to take another 1x3 flat and put it right here. So that's the shape. Then you want to take these reverse flat pieces that latch on to the bottom of a brick and put it right here. So it's nice and flat like that. Next, what you want to do is where the 1x4 is, you want to place that. Place the 1x4 right over here. And the little tube thing might get in the way, but you have to just press it down and like that. So now this thing is straight. So that's really cool. So this is the Fidget Cube done. As a little thing, and so it clips. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and goodbye.